Big news this Diwali, GST rates have changed. From household items to cars, from education supplies to healthcare, many things just got cheaper. So let's decode the new GST reforms and see how they will impact your daily life and wallet.
Let's start with things we use every day. Items like hair oil, shampoo, toothpaste, shaving cream, earlier taxed at 18%, are now just 5%. Even butter, ghee, cheese, dairy spreads, pre-packed namkeen, utensils, feeding bottles, diapers, and sewing machines have come down from 12% to 5%. That's a big relief on daily household spending. Good news for our farmers too. Tractor tires and parts, tractors, pesticides, drip irrigation systems, earlier taxed at 12 to 18%, are now just 5%. This makes farming equipment more affordable and helps in lowering agricultural costs. Healthcare also got a big boost. Individual health and life insurance, earlier at 18%, are now completely tax-free. Medical items like thermometers, oxygen diagnostic kits, glucometers, and even corrective spectacles, earlier at 12 to 18%, are now just 5%. This makes healthcare more accessible and affordable. Students and parents, here's your gift. Maps, charts, globes, pencils, sharpeners, crayons, pastels, notebooks, all these are now zero GST. Yes, earlier they had 5 to 12% GST, but now it's nil. Education essentials just became cheaper. Automobiles saw a big cut too. Petrol, petrol hybrid, LPG, and CNG cars, not exceeding 1200cc and 4000 mm, and diesel hybrid cars, not exceeding 1500cc and 4000 mm, which earlier had 28% GST, are now at 18%. Three-wheelers, motorcycles below 350cc, and even vehicles for transport of goods also reduced from 28% to 18%. This means cars and bikes are more affordable now. Electronics for households also got cheaper. Air conditioners, TVs above 32 inches, monitors, projectors, and dishwashers, earlier taxed at 28%, are now just 18%, a direct relief for families upgrading home appliances. And it's not just GST rates. Process reforms have also been introduced: automatic registration within 3 working days, faster provisional refunds, zero rated supplies, and better refund structure. This makes GST compliance simpler for businesses, especially MSMEs. So, to sum up, daily essentials, education, healthcare, farming items, vehicles, and electronics all got cheaper. Insurance, maps, notebooks, and school supplies are now completely tax-free. Businesses get easier refunds and faster registration. The next gen GST reform is designed to reduce the cost of living, boost farmers and businesses, and give a push to the economy.
This truly is a Diwali gift for every Indian.
If you found this GST decode useful, share it with your friends and family, because saving money starts with knowing where you're saving tax. And don't forget to subscribe to Life Decode for more easy explanations of big finance and economy updates.